Wow. Hey guys, wow, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I am going to steam fish. Look, and I'm going to do it in Jamaica Elsha style. Okay, with it I have my pepper, I have my okra, I have my pumpkin, my butter is here, my carrot is here, and I'm going to cook it down with coconut milk. And here I have a fish noodle, I have garlic, I have scallion, pepper, onion, and thyme. And over here, I have my cornmeal because I'm going to turn cornmeal to eat with my fish. So stay tuned. I'm just going to clean up everything and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back again. I've already cleaned up everything here. Wash and clean up everything. So here's all my wet ingredients over here and my dry ingredients here, and I cut my 2 tin of milk and have it over there because the milk gonna serve for the cornmeal, and my okra over here. So here's my snapper fish. I just washed them with lime and vinegar. Yes, snapper. I have 5 snapper fish. Okay, so I'm gonna season my fish now. All right, all ingredients in here. I have a Jamaica season, I have onion season, garlic season, Mr. Dash, and obey, and black pepper and some salt. Okay, I'm just gonna combine everything together and then I season my fish. Okay, stay tuned. So I'm gonna put half of my dry seasoning on my fish. Some nice snapper here, right? I love steamed fish. Really love steamed fish. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put down this to sit, and I'm going to use my half of my, more than half, 3/4 of my coconut milk to put in my pot, and then I will add my pumpkin and my carrot to my pot first. Okay, I'm gonna make this sit for. Okay, so then I'm gonna put 3/4 of my milk here. Let me use this to do my cornmeal. Okay, and the pot here is my coconut milk, and I'm going to put my carrot and my pumpkin in the pot. Okay. Okay. I'll just let this boil for a little bit. Give it a 5-10 minutes and then I come right back. Over here, in this little pot is my cornmeal pot, okay? I just put some milk here. All right. of my season. I'm just gonna season the pot here. Wow, the season. Okay, I'm gonna put the remainder of my seasoning in the pot here. Alright, make the season just steam a little, and then I put my okra. I'll be right back. The pot, yes, and I'm gonna add my okra. Wow. I'm just gonna give this 5 more minutes and add a piece of butter. And give it 5 minutes, make it cook down. And then I had my fish. You know, fish don't take long to steam. Yes. That's a piece of butter. It's looking good, right? Looking very nice. I give it 5 minutes and then I had my fish. Looking nice. The pumpkin give it a, although the pumpkin never looks so hot, it give it a nice flavor. Look at my pot, man. Very, very nice. I just want the okra to tender a little bit, and then I had my fish not far away. Okay. Okay, my pumpkin is tender and give my pot a nice flavor. So I'm gonna add my fish. Okay? Ooh, yeah. Just gonna add one more. I have 5, but I'm just gonna put 4. That's too much. Okay. I'm gonna let this simmer down. Okay, I'm gonna cover my pot, put it on medium low, and let it take time steam. Okay. I have scallion and thyme and pepper in this container. I'm gonna season my pot for my my cornmeal. Okay. I'm gonna put a little salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Yes. And I'm gonna put some little seasoning here. Season up my pot, yes. And some garlic powder. And some garlic powder. Okay. Alright, just make this. I think I'm gonna put a little piece of butter. Okay, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of butter to it. Alright, make it cook for 2 minutes, and then I had my cornmeal. Okay, let me check my fish. Wow. Looking very, oh Lord, this smells so good. Wait. You see it? Everything looking good. Right? I give it 10 more minutes and then I take it off. And my cornmeal go over there. Look at my cornmeal. Very nice. Wow, simmer down nice. Okay. My fish over here. Alright, I give it another 10 minutes. Okay guys, this is my finishing look. My Elsha steam snapper with cornmeal, okra, and pumpkin. Wow, looking very nice, and I know it tastes very nice. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And tell a friend to subscribe to my video. See you next time. Bye-bye.